Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Now guys, this episode opens up with Usibongile and Ukwenzo. Remember last night, yesterday's episode ended with Ukwenzo opening up the door and Jabu was there, and he was basically telling Jabu it's not the right time. Obviously telling Jabu that because he knew that Usibongile is in the apartment. So when he closes the door, Usibongile is panicking, you guys, because shade, like Jabu almost caught her red-handed, and listen, Jabu was not going to be happy about that. So Usibongile takes her bag and is cuffed in her side, and she's like, listen, I really need to go now. And Ukwenzo looks at her and is like, do you like him? Usibongile is like, what do you mean? I work for him. He's my boss. Like, what do you mean if I like him? Then Ukwenzo goes on to say that, listen, Usibongile, like, I know, like, I saw you and Jabu Etopo, and I saw you guys share a kiss together. Usibongile is so surprised because, guys, this situation is a bit sticky because that's her boss. Do you understand? And abugegi gahe. But anyway, that's that, you guys. Then we see another scene, guys, of Uvuma. Remember yesterday, Uvuma basically told Usamke ukuthi she must qopha yonke into yakhe and leave because what? He saw Usamke at the graveyard or the gravesite, and he was at Usibongile's mother's she was at Sibongile's mother's tombstone, speaking to her or something like that. So Uvuma basically says, like, Ushiumuzwam, like, you leave my house and you go straight to my wife's grave. Like, what were you doing there? Like, bofunane tunyeni ligambali. Like, yeah, bofunane. Naye ke, like, usamke ngempela, like, you can't walk out of someone's house ungamtsheli, and whereas you go to the wife's, like, graveyard, like, it's looking suspicious. So anyway, Uvuma is angry there, guys, and he's like, hey, bo, like, did you want to dig in about like, hey, or bo yom twebula? What were you doing there? Uzinzisi ngathi you here uyangisizela because of what uDeliwe did. Kanti you are just like uDeliwe, like niyafana ninodeliwe. Yo, Uvuma's just like angry, and Usamke's just sitting there. And Usamke's like, you know what? Everything I've been doing it for Uboni Subuntu, because this world that we live in, like, it has no kind people. So I thought I was just showing kindness towards you and your family because I can see that you are such a good man. She goes on to say, like, minang safika la, like, you welcomed me with warm arms, and I thought I was just returning the favor and doing the same thing to you. Actually, no, my parents were also buried around the same place. Mbali is Sibongile's mother. My parents are buried around the same place. So being your cleaner, I was going to clean my parents' tombstones, and when I was cleaning them, I came across Mbali's graveyard, and I thought to myself, Ganami might as well also clean for her. Now, guys, we know she's not telling the truth. She was not going to clean her parents' Don. She was there for Umbali. She was there to speak to Umbali. Then Usamke acknowledged and says, I'm sorry for going there without your permission, without telling you. Yeah, and then Uvuma's like, udanile ke manje Uvuma, because he didn't expect that type of explanation. Vuma goes on to say, I'm sorry for accusing you. You are a good woman. I was just paranoid, but I'm sorry for that, you guys. Then we see another scene later on, you guys, where Uvuma decides to take Usamke to Deliwe's place. Then he's showing around kusekishini lana kuse storeroom lana, he's showing Usamke around, and then Usamke umangela ukuthi how, like, why is he showing me around? Ambuze she asks Uvuma ukuthi, why are you showing me this place? Then Uvuma goes on to say that I want to give you a second chance ukuthi uqalele phansi nawe and you can try something for yourself. Usamke's like, ngiyazi ukuthi, like, ngiwile life ini. I know ukuthi I need to pick up myself kodwa ngiyaxolisa, I cannot work as a cleaner. And then Uvuma loves, he's like, no, I'm not saying coming to work as a cleaner. I'm actually giving you this place. Tata Lendawo and do whatever you think you want to do, anything that can give you an income. Because no velepi, yambon uti, she's not interested in this place. So take this place, take it as me saying sorry for the bad words I said to you. Take this place and use it. Do whatever you want to. Yo, guys, umusonga godwa. Yo, I was just like, Vuma, that was such a beautiful thing to do. I was just like, it just goes to show the type of heart Ubabu Vuma has. Yo, usamkela payana guys, she could not believe her ears. She was just like, umusongara godwa, like a whole place, guys. And that time Ubabu Vuma saying, use it for free. He doesn't want rent. He doesn't want nothing. He's telling her to use it for free. Yo, usamke, guys, she was so teary. She looked like she wanted to cry, and I felt sorry for her. But there's also another scene, guys, where Usamke, she's happy for the place because she sees potential of what she can do at the place. She takes Istulo, she sits down, and then she starts thinking. When she's thinking like unombondo, like she has like something like a vision, and she's somewhere at like a club and she's singing one of her songs, but in the crowd there's a lady that keeps looking at her, and this lady looks like it looks like this lady's angry at Usamke. And I can't help but like, we don't know who the lady is, but Usamke mai kabanga lento, she looks stressed. I'm thinking that the lady that was looking at her, because the lady looked young. The lady looked young. So I'm thinking that that might be Umbalu Umaga Sbongile. And she, like, I think they were trying to show a younger version of Umbali, because obviously by now she was alive, she would be old. A younger version of Umbali, and it looks like she's angry at Usamke. Now I'm starting to think, could it be that Usamke has a hand in Sbongile's mother's passing? Because why would that lady look at her ngamehla njalo nje? Yo, Samke. Hi, guys. And in that vision, she's singing a song about please forgive me for my sins. Please forgive me for the things that I did and whatnot. Yo, guys, it's got a sendab. Hi, girl. We also see another scene where Velepi and her father are out somewhere, angazuti, or they out actually at a house. I don't know if it's the same house, but this is a big house. There's a pool, guys. I think obviously this is the Palito house that Ukaniso was talking about. Hey, uvele ngokuthanda izinto, guys. Ujabule ngokubona ipool laphayana. She's so happy. She's like, yo, this house is so nice. The only thing is that I wish ukuthi ubhuti wami uSangweni was here. Ngiyamazi phela ubhuti wami. He'd be so happy to see this place. Hayi-ke uqiniso start saying ukuthi, hey, uyabona ukuthi if uma wakho bekathembeka, maybe our family, maybe we would have had a family. If your mother was really faithful, we would have had a family, and maybe ngesala sonke lana. Then Uvelep is like, usho ukuthini baba? Then Qiniso goes on to say, Uvelepi, wena mawubheka nje ulokhuzana uSangweni mawumbheka ufana nami. So basically Qiniso is saying that uSangweni does not look like him, and that uSangweni is not his child. Hey, boy, guys, Uvelepi then looks at him and then is like, hayi ngane yami angisho kanti wena ufana noma wami lo sowadlula emhlabeni, kodwa uSangweni hayi akafani nami. So he's trying to say that uDeliwe cheated and did whatever, but uSangweni is not his child, and Uvelepi is his daughter. Then we see another scene where Uvelepi and Qiniso are sitting near the poolside. Kudliwa grapes, guys, fruit salad. Kumnandi. And then anyway, they're sitting there, and Qiniso's like, yazi ngane yami, now ungayiphila le life. You can live this life nama music video la owenzayo. Bakhokhela malini. Velephi says, I vele, those music videos, they did not, bebengangikhokheli much, they didn't pay much and whatnot. Qiniso goes on to say, phela, I've seen that video, you une potential, like we can take this thing really seriously. I know a friend of mine who actually does, I know, she actually says, you know, someone who's actually dancing and making 15K a day. Yok uvelephi ke ngokuze u-15K per day. And then ubaba wakhe asho-ke ukuthi if you can come and stay lana eBarlito, if you can come and stay with me, hayi isikhathi esiningi, like come and stay with me, ubone ukuthi how things go, we can focus on your music videos and you can make this 15K per day. Uvelephi is so happy for 15K a day. Then she goes on to say ukuthi I wish ukuthi ngizayicabanga, like I still need to think about it. And then Qiniso goes on to say, yeah, you can think about it, but don't take too long. Yeah, guys, velephi ngokuthanda izinto. Then we see a scene, guys, where uJabu noVuma, they are in the office. uJabu is trying to fish for indaba, and he says to uVusi, kubukeka ngathi everything is going well on your side, Bafo. uVusi is like, lutho, nothing is going well. I'm suspecting Kwenzo knows that I knew that uNoma was not really pregnant. uJabu's like, unamanga wena. Vusi's like, I think ukuthi uNoma uyotshele uKwenzo ukuthi I knew all along because she's trying to fix things between them. Jabu's like, futhi-ke uyamazi uNoma ukuthi she'd do anything to get back into your family, yes. Vusi's like, phela uNoma, she's obsessed with being a Dlamini, and since iyabona ukuthi ayikho indlela yokungena, then maybe ucabanga ukuthi ngona ayibhidlize like this family. Jabu's like, don't you think ukuthi maybe you should speak to Wenzo, maybe uzame ukukhuluma noKwenzo before uKwenzo azwe ngabanye abantu pertaining le ndaba. And Vusi's like, yazi sinomcimbi later on, maybe I'll pull him to the side, speak to him before umcimbi. That time, guys, uKwenzo, he goes and visits uSibongile eRezi to thank uSibongile for that rice and fish. And Kwenzo tells uSibongile ukuthi kunomcimbi kaNomfundo and Themba's been welcomed, and he says he's not going. And uSibongile is like, no, just go so that you can support uNomfundo and Themba, like ilanga labo, like just go and support them. So uKwenzo did not plan on going to that ceremony, you guys, but he's only going because uSibongile convinced him. We see the ceremony happening. The family is gathered, and we see unjengayi ngathi ubikela abaphansi ukuthi uThemba ini. Then kungena uKwenzo, guys. uKwenzo is late. Kwenzo comes in, and I think he came on purpose. He came late on purpose to avoid speaking to uGcina and uVusi. He comes in quietly, just stands there. uVusi atubona ichance-ke ukuthi maybe while uNjengayi is busy there, he's going to ask ukuthi uVusi, he's going to ask uKwenzo ukuthi baphumele ngaphandle so he can speak to uKwenzo. He comes close to uKwenzo. Kwenzo tries to shift. uVusi's like, yini kanti ngifuna ukukhuluma nawe, what. And Vusi's like, and uKwenzo's like, yini Vusi, cela ungiyekele. Vusi's like, why wenza umsindo? Like, I just need to speak to you. Can we go out and speak? Guys, uKwenzo just raised his voice. He picked up, guys, like umqombothi wakhona, like that traditional beer. He picked it up while lahlela uVusi. Now everyone's like, Kwenzo. Petin is like, Kwenzo, like, what's going on? uVusi is just standing there surprised. He is covered in alcohol, you guys, and uKwenzo's just breathing heavily. I'm just like, lunga, but I'm funa, like, what you want from uKwenzo, because you can see uKwenzo doesn't want to talk to you. Lunga. And then that scene just ends there, you guys. It's going to be interesting to see what's going on, if uKwenzo's going to decide to confront all of them. But it is quite selfish of uKwenzo to do that, because, guys, this is uThemba's day, and that's really not fair, because it doesn't look like uSebenzi uzoqhubeka. But we'll get to see. Then we see Usbongile when she gets to her res, Jabu got Usbongile a gift. Any gift yakwana, guys, is ikandlela of a naked woman. You know, most those modern candles where it's like a naked woman, tontoni. Yo, it doesn't look like she likes the gift. And I'm like, usbongile manju zenzisingati, you don't like the gift, yet you are the one busy building candles, making candles and whatnot. No Jabu. Now there are two Wenzas back in your life. Say Aktina, Ujabu. Hey, but uzama's like, how about my air feel like inhle gift up yona. And then Zama sees that there's a card. She opens up the card. The card is written, "You light up my world." Uzama's like, no, it smells nice and whatnot. Usbongile is just unyanile je. Usbongile is just irritated at the gift. I'm like, Sbongile. Anyway, what more can I say? But anyway, guys, that is the recap of the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Your guys are almost forgot a most, not the most, but a very important scene as well. We see Uvelepi going back home. Uvelepi's at home. She is packing her clothes, guys. Usipho ke angene and then Sipho's like, I sengiredi sengifikile singayomlanda uManqoba. And then uVelep is like, no, namhlanje we're not fetching uManqoba together. You're going to fetch him alone because mina umbona nje ngiyapakisha ngiye eBhalito. Hi boss, Sipho's like, ayibo Velepi, like uyahlanya yini? Are you crazy? Like, what are you going to do eBhalito? Then Philip is like, yeah, boss Sipho, like my father Babuam, he's a successful businessman. Sipho's like, ayibo, like manje ingane yami, like mina ngifuna ingane yami iye lapho. And Venep is like, ayi vele ke khuleka, I was not planning on going nengane laphana because ngiyosebenza. And Sipho's like, oh, so ufuna ukwenza the exact same thing abazali bakho that they did to you. You wanna do it to uManqoba, ufuna ukushiya ingane yakho. Ayibo Venep is like, please ungangiprovoke nje Sipho because yonke lento engiyenzayo, I'm doing it for him. I'm going to be making 15K a day. While they arguing like that, kungena ubaba uVuma, and when uVelep sees ubaba uVuma engena, she tells Sipho, cela ungamtsheli. Hayibo ubaba uVuma abuze ukuthi, hayibo, where are you going? Kwapakisha impahla and whatnot. Velep decides to lie. Athi, hayi, ngithole umsebenzi eBhalito, manje, like, I need to leave and whatnot. Babu Vumati, like, how are you leaving and going to stay eBhalito? Do you know ukuthi la ngaphandle dangerous kanjani? Like, people are taking advantage of young girls like you. Uvenep is like, I'm going to take care of myself. Don't worry about anything and whatnot. Ay mina bengicabanga ukuthi ubaba uVuma uzothi ay bengicela driver ke like to take you where you're going. Ay ubaba uVuma's like, okay ke. Sipho is annoyed there and Uvelipi just walks off, guys. She walks out and she's excited to go where she's going. Yeah, guys, I'm just like Uvelipi. I expect so much from her because I feel like this guy who says he's her father, he's going to be able to easily do whatever he wants to do because Uvelepi is there and he thinks, because remember, Uqinisa told Uvelepi not to tell anyone. So he thinks no one knows about it. And it's only Sipho who really knows the truth. Anyway, guys, let's park it off right there. Tell me, what did you think of this episode? Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.